So today I'm reviewing this Logitech G735. Instead of just reviewing it, I'm putting it up against the older Logitech G733. But I'm also putting it up against my two favorites Logitech Lightspeed headsets. That is the Logitech G435 and Logitech G535. I've not had these for as long as I've had the others, but I know my way around the Logitech headsets by now, and I already have some issues with this. I have held off by buying this mainly because I don't really like the design. These headsets were not marketed towards my taste. These can only be found in this white color. The fake leather that's on the top of these cushions and this fake leather that's in the top right here, these are going to get so dirty after use. I know that many people would just like the design because it's bright, but this is going to, if you are using some kind of I think it's called foundation or something, these are going to build up on this headset. This might not be an issue for you, but it would also like collect dead skin cells and so on. This headset, I'm sure, is going to get so dirty over time, which is why I'm doing this review like sooner rather than later, while they are still looking somewhat good. Just like the Logitech G733, its older brother, they have an attachable microphone. This is the one on the Logitech G733. Let's just begin with all the pros for this headset. The sound quality is the best. I can even compare it to the Logitech G Pro X that I had. The Logitech G Pro X is the only headset that I returned to the store because I just did not like that headset. This is the best sound quality overall. They fixed the issues I had with the G733. This was too heavy of a bass and too hard for me on the hearing, while this updated version is just much better audio quality. It's just a tiny bit better than the G535, the audio. And because it has the Logitech Blue Voice technology I'm going to show you in a minute, these also have the best microphone. But let's talk about this microphone, because I don't like the fact that it's a detachable attachable microphone. I really like the fact this Logitech 535 has this flip microphone instead, because where am I supposed to put this microphone in a place that I don't throw it out? Otherwise I can just have it in my face all the time, and I don't really like that. Now I'm going to show you a microphone test with all the headset that I have. But before that, please consider subscribing if you're getting any value from this. This is a raw audio test done with the Logitech G735. I have not changed anything other than adjusted the volume to be as loud as the rest of the track. This is a raw audio test done with the Logitech G733. I have not changed anything but adjusted the volume to be as loud as the main track. This is a raw audio test done with the Logitech G535. I have not changed anything but adjusted the volume to be as loud as the main track. This is a raw audio test done with the Logitech G Pro X wireless Lightspeed headset. I have not changed anything but adjusting the volume to be as loud as the main track. This is a raw audio test done with the Logitech G435 Lightspeed wireless headset. I have not changed anything but adjusted the volume to be as loud as the main track. This is an audio test with the Logitech G733 that is not raw, but with the Blue Voice enabled. I have picked the broadcaster settings for the Blue Voice, so this is just a test to hear that. This is an audio test done with the Logitech G735. I am currently using Blue Voice effect inside of Logitech G Hub. I'm using the profile called the Broadcaster profile just to show you the difference by using a profile in Blue Voice and the raw audio. So the audio quality is better, the microphone quality is better, but the fit, this right here, the headband, it's quite tough on my head. I know that it is cushioned, right? But it's tough for my head because the others, all the others have like a soft headband instead, which feels much nicer. I can wear the 535 all day. This, sadly, I can't, and that is a showstopper for me. Another thing is the battery life on this just isn't as good as the 535 yet still. Besides the audio quality and the microphone quality, I'd actually still prefer the Logitech 535 over the Logitech G735. Even though I really love the 535, these Logitech G735 have one feature that's just super cool. They can both listen to the Logitech Lightspeed dongle while also having a source from Bluetooth. As far as I can understand, this means that you can hear from two sources at once. It means that you can game from your computer while listening to music, or that you can use it for certain streaming needs where you need several different audio sources. While that being said, these are so warm to wear for a longer period of time. I know that there's Lightspeed RGB for those extra FPS and headsets in gaming, but the 535 still beats them when wearing for a longer time because these are much colder, at least on my head. We need to talk about one important thing because I've paid for all of these headsets myself, and this Logitech 735 is by far the most expensive of the bunch. It's even more expensive than the Logitech G Pro X. When talking about value for money, none of them is going to compete with these two because these are the most cheap ones. The Logitech G435, which is still to this day my favorite comfortable headset and my favorite for the price because they sometimes sell for less than $50. But this is better comfort, better audio quality, the Logitech G535, and I picked this up for $97, and this cost me over $200. You need to compare headsets also for the price and the value you get for it. If I have to compare this headset with other headsets to about $250, this is going to get some stiffer competition than this headset in about $80 or something, maybe under $100. And I actually still prefer this headset. If you want to know more about why I love the G535 headset, then consider watching this video right here. This is where I compare it to the Logitech G Pro X and all the other headsets as well.